Welcome back, everyone. You may be in a position where for some reason your iPad is just not charging properly. Now, this can happen for a couple of different reasons. It can either be your iPad that's the fault or the charger that's the fault, and I'll break down both right now. So first of all, on your iPad, what you want to do, you want to go ahead and try booting up your iPad. If it's, not booting up from your power button here, then typically it's the charging port that may be the issue. So flipping your iPad to the bottom, what you want to do is you want to locate the charging port. So as you can see right here, we have the charging port right here, and right there is pretty much just the port itself. Now, sometimes over time, it's not going to happen probably in a day, but years and months and years of just use will probably get some things lodged into this charging port. Now, with USB-C, it's a little bit more tricky, but with Lightning, literally all you have to do for both ports is grab some sort of plastic prying material, something like, the edge of a floss pick I've seen, a toothpick, something like that. I wouldn't recommend doing anything metal, and literally just prying the inside of it very gently. You want to go ahead and kind of scrape out as much dirt and debris and all that nasty stuff straight out of here, and basically just take it out of the charger. This is basically the number one way I've seen this fixed. You don't have to bring it to Apple to do this. It's very easy to do. Like I mentioned, just taking out and prying out all that dust and nasty stuff from here can actually probably end up fixing it for you. And that's pretty much the number one thing I would recommend you to do, is actually go ahead and take that plastic tip or whatever and scrape out as much stuff as you can from your device. Now, if that doesn't work, we can go ahead and make our way over to our charger. So with our charger, it'll probably look something like this. And you want to basically locate the tip of the charger. So as you can see right here, we have the charging tip. And we want to make sure that our charger is good, because if our charger isn't good, then our iPad's not going to charge. Now, this is not a USB-C port, but either or, it's the same. And you want to look at the specific charging port itself and make sure that if it's in horrible quality, then you may have found your culprit. Now, you want to locate not only here at the tip, but also this little area as well. I have so many chargers that over time, by going like this every so often, it'll go ahead and break apart. And by the end of it, it probably won't even be useful. So what you want to go ahead and do is make sure that you have your port all set up and this lower portion of your charger is in good condition and everything. Now, all you have to do here is follow this charging cord down. So as you can see, I'm following it down, and then you want to go and make your way over to the bottom of the charging port, which is right here, and you will see the end of the charging port, which is right there. So all you have to do here is, again, make sure this is in good quality and also make sure the edge of this is in good quality too. Again, if this is in bad quality, you may have to just replace this specific charging cord and then it'll go ahead and start charging up your iPad. So what you want to do is make sure that this specific port is good. If you're plugging it into your charging port or if you're plugging it into a MacBook or something, you want to make sure this and your port are in good quality. All you have to do at this point is plug them together and make sure the outlet that you're plugging it in is good. And you should be good to go for the most part. Your iPad should be able to be fixed and should be able to charge now. Now, there could be a situation where your iPad is still not going to be functional. At that point, what I would recommend doing is actually trying a different charger, trying different outlets, and seeing how it works from there. So that's really pretty much it. If you guys have any other questions or anything like that, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that'll mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. Every single subscriber that we get really does count. So it means so much for you guys to hit that. Also, check out the other links down in the description as well. My Twitter, my Instagram, my other channels. More importantly, everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.